Travis of Forge Fire and Company. We're out here at FDIC 2026 at our outdoor booth. Out here we're displaying our Alpha Elite Forcible entry door. Some of the features on this door, we've got an AR400 full-length jam stop. We can force this door from top to bottom. There's nowhere that you can't force this door. One big thing with this forcible entry door is not only is it inward right swinging, we can unpin 3 pins, move the door to the other side, and now we have an inward right. Same thing with your outward swings. We've got provisions here where we can add wall brackets in to where you can enclose this like an end hallway prop to where as you're doing your outward swinging, not only are you having to go with your adz work, but having to stay proficient and staying in this tight quarters because there would be a wall here. Right here, our crush block system. This allows you for the outward swinging side to actually get that realistic crush that you would with a commercial outward swinging door that you would be challenged with. Fast, effective techniques that lessen the workload on the firemen can all be taught with this door.